Hi guys, and happy week 2, nearing the end of this week with session 4. We're going to start today in child's pose, so bring it all the way down to the ground, hands and knees please. And then you're going to take your bottom, reach it back towards your heels, walk your hands forward, and then bring your forehead down. Now you might be super familiar with this pose, or maybe you're easing into it. So remember, if your head doesn't touch the ground, you can put a big old pillow under it. And if it hurts to bend your knees this deeply, you can keep your hips forward here and then kind of put your head down, okay? Really depends on your body. Your knees can be slightly open or apart. Your arms can be forward, or if it's comfortable, they can also be back by your feet. I'm going to keep my arms forward here as my low back settles down. This pose is known to reduce stress, anxiety, tension, and bring the body back to its neutral state. Give the spine a place to reset, as well as the muscles and bones and the rest of your body. Really relaxing sensation here. Good. On your next breath in, walk your hands over to the right side of your mat, so your left palm will gently come towards the right palm. And remember, if you're not using a mat, that's fine. Just take about 2 feet to walk to the right. And then walk the hands through center, walk the hands off the mat to the left, or 2 feet to walk to the left as you lower your head. Good. Bring the body back to center on your inhale. Exhale, rest. On your next breath in, rise up, hands and knees tabletop. Inhale, cow, lift the heart up. Good. Exhale, cat. Now, what I want you to do is shimmy your knees backwards and then bring yourself all the way down to the belly. So you're going to ground your palms on the outsides of your nipple line next to the rib cage, and then squeeze the elbows together. Don't throw the face forward, slight tuck of the chin. Tuck your toes, glide your knees back, firmly press down into your thighs and the top of your feet. Hug the elbows in a little bit more. Inhale, bring your chest up, finding a nice open Cobra Pose. Good. Exhale, bring the chest down, down, down. Now, that might have felt really intense, so if needed, only come up a little bit. Let's go ahead. Cobra, option 1 is here. Option 2, here. Option 3, you work with a little bit straighter arms. Good. Really opening up the front of the body, pressing the body forward. Take another full round of breath in. Exhale, lower all the way down. Good. Let's do one more together. Bhujangasana, known as Cobra Pose. Inhale, chest up. Maybe you can hover your hands. I like to keep my fingers down, drawing my elbows in and back. Take a big inhale, and now take this back to child's pose where we were before. So sink your hips back to your heels, bring your head down. Good. Inhale, hands and knees, tuck your toes under. Down dog, raise your butt for me. And now walk your feet up to your hands so you're in a forward fold. Exhale, bow down. So feel the crown of your head get close to the earth. And then put your hands on your hips. Slowly stack the body inch by inch, bone by bone through standing. And then we'll start to open up the hamstrings. So what I want you to do is, if it's hard to touch the ground, in yoga we use blocks. You can use anything around you to help you, like a table or a chair. And we're going to put weight into our right foot, raise our left knee. Exhale, extend the left leg up and back as both hands come down to the mat or the objects below you that are assisting you. This pose is called standing split as we drop our head closer to the ground. Option to take the right hand behind the right calf muscle and pull your chest to your thigh, working the back of your right leg open. 3. Guess what? My legs look nothing like a split, and if yours don't either, that's okay. 2. Exhale, both hands on the mat. Release your left foot down.
Whew. Hands to hips, bone by bone, stand up.
So I'm approaching this with doing this pose 1,000 times, but currently with really tight hamstrings. So you might not be as tight in your hamstrings, so the pose might feel completely different, or it's just new, so even getting your head below your heart and hanging like that feels really different. Let's do the other side. Right knee rises. Again, I'm trying to cater this to every single one of you guys. Those of you that just like to move with me, all right, maybe your workout is later. Go ahead and exhale, start to lower. Those of you that were trying to get to move, right? Maybe you do all the yoga and your partner doesn't. So you're saying, hey, do these quick little videos with me. Just feel the nice stretches. And it doesn't mean then go do yoga. It just means thank your body. Say, thank you, body, for giving me the opportunity to stretch. Good. Lift your right leg higher if possible. 3. Standing splits. 2. Exhale. Release your right foot next to your left foot. Blow out a giant candle somewhere below your face. And then bone by bone, stand up again. Send these to your parents, your aunts and uncles, all right? All levels, all ages. Invite them to move. We're going to do this one more time on each side, okay? So left knee comes up on your breath in. Exhale on your breath out. Maybe keep your hands on your hips. Try to dive down with no hands. And if you're falling, that's okay. Use hands and then put your hands down at the last minute. Maybe slide the right hand behind the right calf muscle. Pull your chest closer to your standing leg. Good. Release your right palm. Release your left foot. Whew. Stand up, hands on hips. It's okay to round. Last side, right knee rises. Inhale. Exhale, glide back, heart forward. At the very last second, I will slowly release my hands down. Left hand behind left calf muscle. If you'd like to join me there, right leg lifts up. 3. Come on, 2. Yes, you can. Exhale, release. Right foot next to left foot. Heel toe your feet apart. I'll face you. Turn your toes out 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, and then try to sink your booty all the way down for Malasana, deep yogi squat, okay? So this might be like, whoa, way too intense, way too deep. Or it might feel okay. 3. Close your eyes, let your head fall, stretch your inner thighs. 2. Good, hands down to the mat. Exhale, forward fold for me one more time. Hands to your hips, stand up, hug those legs in towards each other. Hands to heart center, exhale, namaste. Thank you again for your work. And I'll see you tomorrow for our last day of week 2 of our Dawn Patrol sessions. Thanks, guys.